Assalamu alaikum. My name is Rohan Khatri, and today my topic is Quranic verses. The first verse is Surah Hashr, Ayat 7. Ma afa Allahu ala rasulihi min ahlil qura falillahi walir rasuli walidil qurba wal yatama wal masakina wabn sabil kay la yakuna dulatam بين الأغنياء منكم وما آتاكم الرسول فخذوه وما أنهاكم عنه فانتهوا واتقوا الله إن الله شديद العقاب. जो माल खुदा ने अपने पैगंबर को देहात वालों से दिलवाया है वो खुदा के और पैगंबर के क़ुराबत वालों के और यतीमों के और हाजतमंदों के और मुसाफिरों के लिए है, ताकि जो लोग तुम में दौलतमंद हैं इन्हीं के हाथों में ना फिरता रहे। सो जो चीज़ तुमको पैगंबर दें वो ले लो, और जिससे मना करें उससे बाज रहो, और खुदा से डरते रहो, बेशक खुदा सख्त अज़ाब देने वाला है. That which Allah giveth as spoil unto his messenger from the people of the townships, it is for Allah and his messenger, and for the near of kin, and the orphans, and the needy, and the wayfarer, that it becomes not a commodity between the rich among you. And whatsoever the messenger giveth you, take it, and whatsoever he forbiddeth, abstain from it, and keep your duty to Allah. Lo, Allah is stern in reprisal. In this ayat we are taught about the whatever is given to the Prophet Muhammad through Allah is first of all his and only the prophets, and after the prophets it's his near of the kin, which means his neighbors or friends or family and people, and after them it's of the orphans, and after that the needy and the wayfarer. And it has also taught us that we have to take whatever the messenger give us, and we have to abstain from whatever he has forbidden. Moving on to the next one. Next ayat is Surah Anbiya, ayat 22. لو كان فيهما آلهة إلا الله لفسدتا फसुबहान अल्लाहि रब्बिल अर्शी अम्मा यसिफून. अगर आसमान और ज़मीन में खुदा के सिवा और माबूद होते तो ज़मीन और आसमान धर्म भरम हो जाते. जो बातें ये लोग बताते हैं खुदा मालिक अर्श इनसे पाक है. If there were therein gods beside Allah, then verily both the heavens and the earth had been disordered. Glorified be Allah and the Lord of the throne from all that they ascribe. In this ayat we are taught that there cannot be two ma'boods or infinites, because Allah is only one, and if there were another god or another ma'bood, then this earth and the sky, everything would have been destroyed because of the conflict between them. Therefore it is not possible that there is anyone other than Allah that is worthy of worship. Next ayat is Surah Baqarah, ayat 163. Wala hukumu ilahun wahid la ilaha illa huwa rahmanur rahim. This ayat is very simple. और लोगों, तुम्हारा माबूद खुदाए वाहिद है, इस बड़े मेहरबान और रहम करने के सिवा कोई इबादत के लायक नहीं. Your Allah is one Allah, there is no Allah besides him, the beneficent, the merciful. In this ayat we are taught that there is no God but Allah. It is the representation of the Tawheed, that is the first pillar of Islam. It says that Allah is the most beneficent and the most merciful, which means he forgives and he is very merciful. So we should not be scared to ask for forgiveness even if we have committed wrong so many times. Thank you.